Hello, darkness, my old friend. I come to talk to you again. Because the videos are pretty creepy. Let this is my eyes sleeping. And the vision that was planted in my brain still remains within the sound of silence. In restless dreams I walked alone. Now of the cobblestone. If the hangover is still, I turn my color to the colder day. When my eyes are stared by the flash of a neon light, I sleep the night and touch the sound of silence. I need a naked light of soul. 10,000 people, maybe more. People talking without speaking. People hearing without listening. People writing songs that voices never share. And no one there disturb the sound of silence. Who say I do not know? Silence I can catch and go. Hear my words that I might teach you. Take my oath that I might teach you. But my words like silent raindrops fell. Echo in the world of silence. And the people by the grave to the unready. And the sign flashes its warning in the world that has for me. And the sign says the words of a prophet and not a survival. Don't tell me more. Whisper in the sound of silence.